What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv, and I'm back, biggity back. I'm back again. And y'all probably wondering, Trav, where your food at? Let me explain. Let me say grace first, and then Father God, I come to you to ask. I'm all over the place. Father God, I come to you today to ask you what's up with this food. Please let it be a nourishment to my body. Please let me digest this food properly. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen. One more time. Amen. How was y'all day going? Let me start there. Hope it's going well. But today I am doing the Nature Cereal TikTok challenge. If y'all have TikTok or if you've been seeing some TikToks, you know what this challenge is. It's a bunch of berries with coconut water, and it's kind of like cereal. So I'm gonna start and just mix everything. So yes, I have already washed these fruits out. The strawberries are the only ones I put in a separate container after washing them because I wasn't gonna use all those strawberries that was in there. Well, and I got me a couple of pieces of ice, y'all, just because the coconut water is probably not as cold as I would like for it to be. So we had the strawberries. What are these? Blackberries. There we go. We got the blackberries, y'all. And for the people that don't think I really washed them off, I'm sure you can see all that water on there. So I know y'all be crazy sometimes. Oh, I did this wrong. I was supposed to do these first. Well, it really don't matter. These are pomegranates, y'all. Got my whatever. We'll just dump all the pomegranates in there. Got my pomegranates. The seeds, not the actual whole thing. These are raspberries. I'm not even gonna use all of those because this bowl is getting pretty full. And then, what are these? Blueberries. Yeah, y'all can tell I don't really eat fruit like that. Okay. Ooh, okay. I wasn't gonna do this, y'all, because I know, like, I've seen a lot of people doing it, but y'all be lying. Y'all be on here lying, saying some of this stuff is good and it's really not good. So I wasn't gonna do it, but I kept getting requests to do. You can't. Are you supposed to smell it? Okay. Ooh. Y'all, I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Try to get a little thumbnail. I don't know if you can see that with the light glare. Okay. Hope I got something. All right. Here goes nothing. Y'all, I'm scared, and I promise you, if this is nasty, I'm gonna be very upset with a lot of y'all. Because y'all kept asking me to do this. Trying not to get no ice on there. I'm trying to get every fruit. The strawberries are all the way at the bottom. Oh, here go one. Boom. Okay, everything is on there. Let me put a raspberry on there. Oh, okay. I should have got a bigger spoon. I'm using this little itty bitty thing. Okay. See if I can set it on top of there. Maybe. It's gonna fall off. I don't know. Oh, it's probably gonna fall. Why would it do that? I knew it was gonna do that. I just want y'all to get a close up without it falling. Okay. You got a close up. Oh my God. Oh, y'all was right. I'm glad I did this. Yo, okay. I'm hyped. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. I don't. But it's a party of flavors in your mouth. I'm impressed. This was supposed to be just a taste test video, y'all. I told myself this video was not going to be any longer than 5 minutes. On top of me setting it up. The pomegranate seeds are kind of throwing me. Only because it's a different texture than everything else. Y'all gotta try this. In a way, it kind of gives off a creamy flavor. And I don't know how. Nothing in here should give a cream taste. But when I did read online that it can give a creamy taste. And I thought they was, see, they wasn't lying. Man, don't shoot me now. It really does give off a creamy flavor. I'm flabbergasted. This is good. Whoever idea this was, kudos to you, because this is good. Y'all gotta try this. Now, I don't know how much of it I'm gonna eat because it's gonna start getting soggy. And I don't do no soggy fruit or soggy cereal. I'm really flabbergasted. I've never even tasted coconut water. I don't even think I've ever heard of coconut water. I'm gonna give y'all a close up. Do y'all see that? I was trying to do it without everything falling out. Y'all know the stuff on my table be acting real ignorant. I forgot to tell y'all, there is not going to be a tea time today with this video. I kept seeing it, this challenge, and people kept asking me to do it. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. So. This is crazy. Ooh, this is good, y'all. This is good. I'm sorry, it hit me like this is really good. I don't do the video. I'm gonna keep y'all. I'm going to let y'all go. Because this also isn't something that I can eat a big bowl of. Ooh. Ooh, yummy in my tummy. Y'all, this was good for real. So, try it, y'all. Y'all have to try it. This is the Nature Cereal TikTok challenge. Y'all have to try it. Let me know what y'all think. It's strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and pomegranate. I've seen people put kiwis in it, but for the most part, the berries were what everybody had in common. People just threw a couple other things in there for different colors, like kiwi. I saw pineapple, but nah. So, y'all already know what to do. If you haven't already, check out the website. It's in the description box below. www.AyooTravv.com. Then get the AO Sauce, the AM merch. Y'all already know. If you're not subscribed to the channel, the button right there. Boom. Hit the bell right there. Boom. So you know if I need something about video. If you want to stay connected with the AyooTravv, jump back to the description box. Go down to the bottom. Brr, boom. Right there on the same social media: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You already know. Add me, follow me, leave me a comment, let me do I'm there, do whatever. Let me know what's like, what's done, like what you want to see, what's done, see what's want to say, what dumb say, what's want to need, what's done. I'll just Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out. Peace.